I am Umesh Mishra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Golnawayar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, I have already explained what is exponent and what is power. So, dear students, as you know, I have already explained that when we multiply any number in several times, then that number can be expressed in exponential form or exponent form or exponent power form. So dear students, suppose that I will explain if you multiply 2 in 3 times, then we can express 2 to the power 3. So here 2 is the base and 3 is the called power, and this is called in exponential form. Now dear students, in this video I will explain law of exponent. There are first law of exponent is if a and b are two non-zero rational number, then first law of exponent is a to the power m multiply a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. Dear student, here a is non-zero rational number. Now second law is a to the power m whole to the power n equal a to the power mn. Here mn means m multiply n. Dear student, I hope that these two law is clear to you. Now next law is a upon b whole to the power n equal a to the power n upon b to the power n. This is the third law of exponent. Now fourth is a to the power m multiply b to the power m equal a multiply b whole to the power m. This is the fourth law of exponent. Now I hope that this is clear to you. Now fifth law is a to the power m divided by a to the power m, or we can write a to the power m upon a to the power m equal a to the power m minus n. This is the fifth law. Now sixth law is a to the power minus m equal 1 upon a to the power m. Now other is power of any non-zero rational number is 0, then it will be equal to the 1. This is the seventh law of exponent. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. First law is a to the power m multiply a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. As you know, a is called base and m plus n is called exponent or power. And other is a to the power m whole to the power n equal to the power mn. Now a upon b whole to the power m equal a to the power m upon b to the power m, and fourth is a to the power m multiply b to the power m equal a multiply b whole to the power m. Next is a to the power m divided by a to the power m equal a to the power m upon a to the power m equal a to the power m minus n. Now here is a to the power minus n equal 1 upon a to the power m, and 7 is a to the power 0 equal 1. Now, dear student, today I will solve some questions based on this lab exponent. Question is 5 upon 7 whole to the power 2 multiply 5 upon 7 whole to the power 3. So dear students, as you know, just I have already explained that lab exponent a to the power m multiply a to the power m equal a to the power m plus n. It means if power is different, but if base is same, then I will add power. Here you see here that 5.7 square multiply 5.7 cube, here base is 5.7. So I will write this with help of lab exponent. It will be equal to the 5.7 whole to the power 2 plus 3, because here power is 2 and here power is 3. So it will be equal to the 2 plus 3, and it will be equal to the 5.7 to the power 5. So dear students, I hope that this is clear too. Now, next question I will explain on the basis of lab exponent. The question is 3 to the power 5 whole to the power 2. So dear students, as you know that lab exponent a to the power m whole to the power m equal a to the power m n. Here a to the power m means a to the power m multiply n. So here it is 3 to the power 5 whole square. So with help of this lab exponent, we can write 3 to the power 5 multiply 2, and it will be equal to the 3 to the power 10. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. So you can do all these type of questions with help of this lab experiment. You can do in your practice copy. Now I will explain other question with help of lab exponent. Question is 5.7 whole to the power 9 divided by 5.7 whole to the power 4. So dear friend, as you see here that lab exponent a to the power m divided by a to the power m, or we can write a to the power m divided by a to the power m equal a to the power m minus n. So dear students, with the help of this lab exponent, we can write 5 upon 7 whole to the power 9 minus 4. Because in place of m is 9 and in place of n is 4, so it will be equal to the 5.7 to the power 9 minus 4. So it will be equal to the 5.7 to the power 5. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now, next question is, I take another question. 2 to the power 7 multiply 3 to the power 7. So dear student, as you see here that last student a to the power m multiply b to the power m equal a multiply b whole to the power m. So with the help of this last exponent, you can write here in place of a is 2 and in place of b is 3. So first of all, we multiply 2 multiply 3 and power will be 7. So it will be equal to the 2 3 6, 6 to the power 7. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you. Now, next question is 2 upon 3 whole to the power 2. So last exponent, as you know, last exponent a upon b whole to the power n equal a to the power n upon b to the power n. So with help of this last exponent, we can write 2 square upon 3 square. So dear student, as you know that 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3. So it will be equal to the 2 multiplied 2 upon 3 multiplied 3. Then it will be equal to the 4 upon 9. So 2 upon 3 whole square equal 4 upon 9. So dear student, I hope that this is also clear to you. Now I will take another question. Evaluate 2 upon 5 to the power minus 3. Dear student, as you see here, I have already explained a to the power minus n equal 1 upon a to the power n. It means if you write this negative power in positive power, then I will write as 5 upon 2 to the power 3. And if you want to expand this, then it will be equal to the 5.2 multiply 5.2 multiply 5.2. Then it will be equal to the 5 5 25, 25 5 125, 125.2 to the 4 to the 8. So it will be equal to the 125.8. Now, the power of 2 upon 5 equal 0, then I will explain the power of any rational number is 0, then it will be equal to the 1, so it will be equal to the 1. So dear students, I hope that with help of this last exponent, you can do all this type of question as you given in your practice book as chapter of law of exponent. Now Next video I will explain some other question. Thank you so much.